You've been lied to about black holes. The truth is far stranger and way more mind-bending than anything you've seen in movies or cartoons. Yeah, all those classic cartoons showing spaceships falling into a giant hole in space? Forget those. Those old animations made black holes look like cosmic trapdoors, but reality is much more complex and much more fascinating. Black holes aren't tunnels, they're not doorways, and they're definitely not holes. They're not shortcuts to other universes or secret passages through space. In fact, the very name black hole is a bit misleading. What they really are spheres. Spheres of pure gravitational insanity. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong, it warps the very fabric of space and time around it, creating a region from which nothing can escape. Think of a star, way bigger than our sun. When it dies, it doesn't just fade away. Instead, it goes out with a bang, a supernova explosion that leaves behind a core so heavy, not even the pressure of atoms can hold it up. Its core collapses inward, squeezing itself down into a mind-bogglingly small point called a singularity. Infinite density, no space left between atoms. The laws of physics as we know them break down at this point, and we honestly don't know what happens inside. All that mass, now crammed into something smaller than an atom. It's like taking Mount Everest and crushing it into a grain of sand, except a black hole is even denser. But here's the wild part. Surrounding that singularity is the event horizon. This is the ultimate point of no return, a boundary in space where the pull of gravity becomes so overwhelming, escape is impossible. Imagine a cosmic boundary. Cross it, and you're never coming back. Not even light can escape. The event horizon is invisible, but it's the most important line in the universe for anything unlucky enough to get too close. That's why black holes are, well, black. They don't let anything out. No light, no matter, no information, just pure darkness, surrounded by a glowing halo of doomed material spiraling in. Now let's talk about how they mess with the universe. Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're engines of chaos, shaping galaxies and triggering some of the most energetic events in the cosmos. A black hole doesn't just sit there, it bends space and time around it like a bowling ball on a trampoline. The closer you get, the more space curves, until reality itself seems to twist and stretch. If you hung out near a black hole, time would actually slow down for you. A minute for you could mean years for someone far away. This isn't just theory. It's been proven by Einstein's equations and even tested with clocks on satellites. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real proven physics. These things are like cosmic editors rewriting the rules of reality with their gravity. They challenge everything we thought we knew about space, time, and the universe itself. And here's where things get a little terrifying. If you fell into a black hole, you'd get spaghettified. That's the actual scientific term, spaghettification. No joke. Gravity stretches you into a long, thin noodle, pulling harder and harder as you get closer to the center. Your feet would feel a much stronger pull than your head, and you'd be stretched until you're just a stream of atoms. But honestly, you'd be torn apart way before you could ever worry about escaping. The forces at play are so extreme, nothing we know could survive the journey. So next time you picture a black hole, ditch the cartoon holes. Forget the idea of a swirling drain or a sci-fi portal. Picture a dense, invisible sphere, surrounded by a glowing disk of cosmic chaos. That glowing ring? It's made of superheated gas and dust, swirling at nearly the speed of light, just before it vanishes forever. It's not a portal. It's a one-way ticket to the unknown. Once you cross that event horizon, you're lost to the universe. No messages, no return, just the ultimate mystery. If this warped your mind, hit like, comment, and subscribe. There's so much more to explore in the universe, and we're just getting started. Tell me in the comments, would you ever want to see a black hole up close? Or is that a hard no? Would you risk the ultimate journey? Or would you rather watch from a safe distance? Thanks for watching. And remember, in space, nothing is ever as it seems. The universe is full of surprises, and black holes are just the beginning.